Looking at the main screen of the 7-inch indoor monitor, let's have a quick look at each of the buttons. At the top left corner, there is time and temperature information. On the right side, it will show you the latest call message that comes from outdoor station. From below, there are main features of video intercom. The first one is video intercom. In this page, you can have door-to-door intercom with other residents. Also, it is possible to call guard unit or to make indoor intercom in the same house. Next one is surveillance. Here you can watch 4 different cameras, including outdoor station, gate station, mini outdoor station, and IP camera. Next one is alarm for living. This is a scenario for you to activate certain alarm zone while you are away from home. Next one is call elevator. With the lift control module well configured, it is possible to call the elevator remotely. Next one is emergency alarm. By long pressing this button, the indoor monitor will sound the siren and send alarm message to guard unit. Next one is arm and disarm. Here you can activate alarm zone for a different scenario. The last one is alarm information. Here you can see if any alarm or sensor is triggered. For more detailed intercom function, you could check this button. Also, for other device setting, check with the gear button.